Jamaica, hold on my road, man, nigga. Let me start this now. Jamaica, here I go on. A long time I don't come talk to you, know. And the citizens beg me. The government beg me. The soldier beg me. The people beg me at Jamaica. Here I go on. Please, Jamaica. We have to stop this one for all now. If we stop you now, brother. Too much dead. Me not hear about no devil house. Me not hear about no ice cream. Too much cemetery. All I get to you with them. Listen me carefully. I treat them a chicken. I'm not better than them something in a youth. I'm a star, you know. Remember, so no bright high school and going up. Hear me I say. Just load the gun thing for once, Jamaica. Load the gun. We don't want no more gun. No more gun. We want food for the people, man. Stage show and dance and happiness. Jamaica. All of the ghetto them, every ghetto, Maxwell, Waltham, Tivoli, Jungle, Rima, Spanish Town, Portmore, Reddish Road. All of the youth them, no more gun. Every youth you know, I turn police and soldier and doctor. And we are pack the barrel and we are send out food down the front, so come with me.
And I give thanks, yeah. Everywhere that I go, all the places that I see, yeah, I give thanks, yeah. You don't know Artex and the flitters there.
Artex, here we are going. So we don't get some food. In Jamaica, because the youth them want food. So we are going to So we don't get them things. Food we are dealing with. Food we are dealing for Jamaica. Food. People them want food. Food we are dealing with. Food, come. Food we are dealing with. No more gun. Food. Food, brother. Food.
For the poor.
Food
for the poor.
No more gun at Jamaica.
You hear that?
Food. Food for the youth them. See that? Yeah, food. No more gun. No more gun. Viral. Jamaica. Food.
No more.
Food. Yam. Text with general. Food we are dealing with. Food for Jamaica. No more gun. Food.
Blood.
Food.
Yeah,
no, we don't want that. Go with that. Food we are dealing. No more youth for dead. Walk with me. No more get to youth for dead. No more youth.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, on our way to.
Alright, Ragga Ruggie a cry out for peace. And normally Ragga Ruggie think that Flitters boss always reach out to the youth them at Jamaica and I say, yo, here we go on the man, wanna put on the gun. Too much of that, too much killing, too much murder. A time for peace. Ragga Ruggie always a ball for peace. And you see him at the beginning, him still a do it same way. Ragga Ruggie no drop the baton not even one time. Still a cry out for the youth them at Jamaica put on the gun and stop the bunch of killing. So I hope you are listening, you know. See? Now people, is another video this, you know, and that simply means we are going to have people who address things. See? Now the brother right here, so the man speak out to Andrew Holness. The man say, Andrew, when persons come out and tell you about your mother, right, you take offense to it. Right? And it's like, you know, focus on the things that you're supposed to actually focus on. Now the brother here say, yo, stop focus on when a man tell you about your mother and start focus on what really need to get your attention. Like for example, the man say, yo, the Chinese them a Jamaica need to start pay tax. And if them not pay tax, Jamaicans need to stop pay tax until them start pay tax. How the man attack say. You understand? Now, I'm not going to break it down too much for you. I'm just going to make you listen to what the general say. Jump in, my boss, and talk to them.
Good night, Mr. Prime Minister. My name is Rick, and I live in St. Mary, Islington, St. Mary to be exact. And basically, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to talk to the whole of Jamaica. Because I notice you take offense to certain words when people in them anger. Then we tell us your mother and you get vexed. And you want to put them on TV or you want them to put a public announcement for them apologize to you. Me personally want you to do something. Take a hole and take a good look in a Jamaica. You see the special privilege where every Chinese businessman get with them 5 years tax free, that need to fix. We road them need to fix. It's billions of dollars going out of the country every year. Every year. because of that. The same money where you look for we citizens for pay for we tax, you need to start tax every single one of the Chinese them and cut out that 5-year special business what them do, because as you can see, every 5 years is a different set of Chinese come in and open up shop. If you pay attention to a Jewish community, you will see say the money circulate in a one Jewish community 10 times. No money circulate in Jamaica at all. As it come as so it go. We have no decent infrastructure. But yet you still get vexed when a man tell you mother. We school them no good. You get vexed when a man tell you mother. We hospital them no good. You get vexed when a man tell you mother. Stop paying attention to a man who tell you mother and pay attention to these things. And them things that our country need. Tourism are not the only thing we can make money. Entertainment are not the only thing we can make money. The same taxes where you want we to pay, we citizens will pay, we born and live here. Just make the Chinese man them pay the same thing too. Or it's just simple, we stop pay tax until them start pay tax. Just remember that. Me not bad up nothing, me not bully nothing. Just I give you something to think about. Equal justice, equal treatment, equal business opportunity. That's all we are asked for. Looking at yourself on that the level there. You say you want to do something good for Jamaica. It's over $1 billion a year time I go out of the country. And them I use it to build up back for them country. Why that can't stay here and circulate through the country 10 times before it leave out one time? Be business smart, man. Be business smart, Mr. Prime Minister. We're not ignorant, we're not fool. We might be rebellious, but looking at it, we need things. If we got feet, we are got prison. If we kill feet, either we get killed or got prison. And enough people don't want to do none of them sitting there. People want work. People want money. But in order to get money, work have to do it. Make the people them where not pay no tax, pay them taxes. And not just property tax alone and fear hunt. Because at the end of the day, when we don't pay with property tax, some of the same Chinese them are going to get them for road work. Just be fair, man. Be fair. Treat with people good. We treat you back good.
Alright, wanna hear what him say? Talk to me down below and make me know if the man has spit be a facts or what. More for hear for no opinion down in the comment section. Now the next generally I wanna see him already. See because the man come out and address Andrew before and him forward again. But this time the man address Andrew and Tufton. The man say, yo, are them people here wanna really have a lead the youth them? Eh? Look what they Tufton forward out and I tell people about say, yo, you need to go take vaccine in order to get water. The man address that. The man address a whole lot of things in that video here. So without any more long talking, here what him fi say.
Andrew, you think a chat we love chat make we out here chat? I show we care, you know. And right now we're pissed off with this shit stem, brother. You get me? I'm real pissed off. So what you know? Watch on the leadership. See Tufton, you hear him what here? I tell the people them want water. And them I tell the people them you better go take a vaccine before you get some water. Eh? And people laugh, you know, and take it for joke. Brother, are them a type of leadership you go and look on the people and tell them say I gotta make a vaccine now. Brother, I don't want to lead our youth them. I don't want to lead with my people of Jamaica. These are our leaders. Eh? We are deal with that something here, so. Eh? My people, make we give back a dose of medicine. Our own no movements there, 1 month without it. No movements. When we say no movements, no movements. Can we do that, Jamaican people? Can we stand in unity, unity? Can we stand as one people? United we stand, divided we fall. Can we stand as one people? If we stand as one people in our people, they can't break us. Never will they do that. They can't do that. We can't have them people as our leader, man. Private sectors, on the command, man, no go on like you not feel it. Me know no found a pocket fat still. But listen, somehow not feel it. That's something you not work. We need to tell that brother here that's something you not work. As me tell you, we need a public meeting with that brother, you know. Question and answers, you know. Make him answer we, you know. Real serious, you know. Because we can't have, listen, who can relate? If you have your child and you discipline your child, whether beating the child or taking away something from the child that them love, disciplining your child. You have a point where you will beat the child, you know, till you feel so bad. You're sorry for the child, you stop. And you start all cry with the child and I say, look what you make me do. And you make me do this, you know. But Andrew, we not do nothing, brother. We not do no something at all, you know. All you beat with you won't stop. All you beat with, brother. You won't stop. When it a go stop? Brother, you know, no little feelings, no remorse, no little conscience. Listen to me now, man. People, make we stand up now. Make we rise now. Because you see, if Wednesday forward again and the brother you forward, that's something here. Yo, me see some little people I get together, but make we all do it. One march. And people just are joining and joining.
No, notice say more and more Jamaicans are speak out, right? Jamaicans not stay silent anymore. You hear what the man say? Why us Jamaicans not have we own no movement day? Since he never break it down for me, but I break it down and tell you know what the man say. The man say, alright then, since them implement no movement day, we and tourists can come in and still have movements all around the island and enjoy the island. The man say, why us as Jamaicans no decide say, here when you no say the place open up back and you no want everybody to go work and you no want doctors to go out and nurses to go out and radio station DJs to go, everybody turn at them yard. Nobody no move. And do that for all 1 2 weeks to all 1 month. Simply means it's a silent strike. And see if them not change certain things. See? No police no come out. No fighter no come out. No nurse no come out. That's what the man basically say. Yo, if you no want change, you no have to try and fight for it. Not physically, but just put on a silent strike. Nobody move until we get changes. Watch out, man, people. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Make me know if you don't agree with what the general them say in that video here. Alright? Ragga Ruggie, big up yourself, my general. This is unstoppable. No matter what. Don't make nobody stop you. If this is your first time here and you hit that subscribe button there yet, hit the subscribe button. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. Guess what? Me gone.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.